I humbly invite our esteemed chief guest, Dr. C. Sailendra Babu, the former DGP, to honor and award the winners of athletics district winners, first rank holders.
LKG A G Yarini, LKG B S Moshika, LKG C J Amudini, LKG D R Rajesh Shabari, LKG E A Divya, UKG A B Amirda, UKG B S Yadisai, LKG C R Henry Jo, UKG D B Venisha, First standard A R.S. Harihara Selvan, First standard B V Deepthi Charu, First standard C S Sanjivita, First standard D V Sajini, Second standard A S Santosh and GK Ritika, Second standard B S Arvind Akash and S Kavit, Second standard C A Mohammad Asif and P Nitil, Second standard D P Abhinesh, Third standard A R Sweta, Third standard B A Sarashti, Third standard C S Mitran, Fourth standard A S Aditya, Fourth standard B S Kartika, Fourth standard C M Shamrita, Fifth A U Shalini, Fifth B N K Danishka, Fifth C S Sharvan, Sixth C K Sudarshan, Sixth D B Sugumaran, Sixth E R Sadhana, Seventh A K Brinda and P Yashika, Seventh B R Mugundan, Seventh C J Hrithik, Eighth A K Abhinaya, Eighth B R Aravind, Eighth C V M Kamalesh, Ninth A A Madhivadani, Ninth B P Kaushik Raj, Ninth C N Adityan, 10th A M Kavya, 10th B R Vijayashanti, 10th C N P Parimalakannan, 11th A1 S Santosh, 11th A1 P Bhavya, 12th A1 S Vasantraj, 12th A1 G Sarumati,
Vaidehi from 12, S. Vaidehi from 12, Divya Darshini from 12, Abhinaya Sundari from 12A2, Abhinaya Sundari from 12A2, Magadevi from 12th C, Anusha from 12A1, Vaidehi from 12C, Anusha from 12A1, Vishnupriya from 12A1, Vaidehi high jump from 12C, Mahadevi 400 meter Abhinay Sundari K, disc throw, 3rd place. Vaidehi 12C, high jump. Abhinay Sri from 8th standard. Boxing, district level. Abhinay Sundari shot put, 3rd district level. Sugand Raj from 11th. Satya Kumar from 10C in Silambam district level.
Come in front of the stage now.
Second rank holders LKG to 12th standard. LKG A B Maheshwaran, LKG B V Vinoshini, LKG C B Shainitin, LKG D R Olipirai Umayal, LKG E S Logajanani, UKG A L Yadini, UKG B V Kritish, UKG C K S Lakshanya, UKG D A Siddharthan, first standard A Balachandran, first standard B S Yogamitra, first standard C S Idanya, first standard D S Shai Pallavi, second A E Tamil Kadambari and R Siddharth, second B S Harshit, second C J Nitin, second D K Diyash, third A J Jayashti, third B K Sangamitran, third C A Navina, fourth A M Danush, fourth B V Anish, fourth C G M Swatikashti, fifth A P Vivan, fifth B V Rishit, fifth C B Abhilesh, sixth A M S Pranita and V Reshma, sixth B R Sushmitran, sixth C R Ranjit, sixth D I Sachin, sixth E S Rakshitashri, seventh A S Subhavashini, seventh B S Darun, seventh C V S Hariharan, eighth A S Madhivadani, eighth B S Ritish, eighth C R Lalit Kumaran, ninth A S Sabita, ninth B S Sugan, ninth C J Ritik Vanan, tenth A B Sadhana, tenth B S Divya Dashni, tenth C T Sangamitran, 11th A1 S Abhishek, 11th A1 T Madhumita, 12th A1 T Ilamaran and 12th A1 R Narmada.
மேல அது முடிஞ்ச உடனே 100% அனௌன்ஸ் பண்ண உடனே
Third rank students, come to the stage. 100% attendance winners also have to come to the stage. Come near the stage, everyone now.
Third rank holders from LKG to 12th standard. LKG A V Advika, LKG B P Niriksha, LKG C A Nilalini, LKG D T Gokul, LKG E E Mani Bharati, UKG A S Akash, UKG B A Rihana, UKG C A Ashwita, UKG D K Gopika, first standard A K Roshan and C Subanila, first standard B K Agalyan, first standard C A Niranjana, first standard D T Tiloshika, second standard A V Ajay, second standard B P Midalini, second standard C N K Magati, Second standard B, S. Kanishka. Third A, R. V. Hirahashini. Third B, R. Anushri. Third C, A. Varunita. Fourth A, A. Selva. Fourth B, P. Sai Charan. Fourth C, J. Gopika. Fifth A, M. Deepika. Fifth B, K. Sanjan. Fifth C, P. Monashri. Sixth A, V. Anushka. Sixth B, A. Harish Kumar. Sixth C, P. Dakshan Raj. Sixth D, M. Imaduddin. Sixth E, R. Rajashri. Seventh A, S. Sadhana. Seventh B, G. M. Naresh. Seventh C, V. Sanjay. Eighth A, S. Kovardhani. Eighth B, K. Shakti Murugan. Eighth C, T. Dashan. Ninth A, V. Kanniga. Ninth B, J. Abhishek. Ninth C, M. Ramkumar. 10th A, K. Lavanya. 10th B, V. Kavya. 10th C, P. Irayanbu. 11th A1, V. Manigandan and R. Velan. 11th A1, I. Sarojini. 12th A1, B. Sabari. And 12th C, S. Vaidegi.
We would like to call our 100% attendance winners. Pre-KG J. Amaldhan, LKG B. J. Nandana, UKG A. S. Akash, UKG C. S. Krishna Kumar. First A. M. Nithiran. First B. K. Agalyan. Second A. R. Sarathi. Second A. K. Ovya. Second C. M. S. Bhavneshwaran. Second C. J. Nithin. Second C, K. Madhubala. Third A, M. Ajay. Third C, A. Navina. Third C, S. Niranjana. 4A, S. Aditya. 4A, V. Vishwa. 4A, S. Iniya. 4B, S. Sivasanjana. 5A, P. Vivan. 5A, K. Bonmalar Kurali. 5B, K. Sanjan. 5C, M. Reshwan. 6A, A. Anita. 6A, M.S. Pranita. 6A, R. Roshini. 6A, S.A. Sindhustralan. 6C, R. Ranjit. 6C, S.R. Sabaresh. 6C, M. Harshavardhani. 6D, A. Yuvraj Krishnan. 7A, K. Brinda. 7A, S. Sadhana. 7A, R. Radheshri. 8A, S. Sahana. 8A, S. Abhinayashri. 8C, R. Lalit Kumaran. 9A, R. Amarta. 9A, Anuya. 9A, S. Kalpana. 9A, Kaniga V. 9A, B. Nadira. 9A, S. Ponmoli. 9A, S. Sabita. 9B, V. Sanjit. 10A, A. Lavanya. 10A, P. Gopalashri. 10A, N. Samira Begum. 10B, R. Agalya. 10B, V. Shweta. Wait. 10B, V. Shweta. 10B, S. Divyadashni. 10B, V. Kavya. 10B, S. Kavya. 10C, G. Edilarasan. 10C, B. Irayanbu. 10C, A. Karmagilan. 10C, A. Sangamitran. 10C, V. Satish. 10C, R. Satyajyoti. 10C, S. Venkatesh. 11A1, P. Bhavya. 11A1, Y. Jhansi Rani. 11A2, S. Santosh. 11A2. Teachers, get ready for group photo now. All the teachers are requested to assemble here for group photo. 11A2, S. Santosh. 11A2, R. Yukesh. 12A1, R. Ranganayaki. And 12A2, M. Surendra. Now, we would like to call the Pongal winners. The first place, Dust. All the teachers are requested to assemble on the stage to take the group photo now. Teachers, kindly come to the stage, everyone now. Teachers, kindly assemble on the stage now. Everyone come to the stage.
The chairman, Kirapalayam chairman. Let's all give a big hand for him. Now, sir, we will honor Mr. Manivasagam, who has come with us to share this precious moment. Sir is honoring right now is Mr. Veera Soran. Next, our sir will honor Mr. Pugayendi, the head of the PTA Association. Next, our sir is honoring Mr. Tamil Mani with a shawl. And sir is presenting a memento right now. This is Mr. Kanagaraj, the manager, who has been with us for a long time. Sir is honoring him with a shawl and a memento.